So let's have a look through the lens of Seerah to the exemplary mercy and compassion of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The first one is the incident of Taif. We all know the pathetic story of Taif. After preaching Islam for 10 years in Mecca and being persecuted by the leaders of the Quraysh, when our beloved Prophet lost his honorable uncle Abu Talib and his beloved wife Khadijatul Kubra radiallahu ta'ala anha, he felt insecure to stay in Mecca because no one left to protect him in that time. He then decided to relocate to a new place. He decided to go to Taif, a neighboring city to Mecca. He thought maybe the people of Taif would be more inclined to accept the truth. Taif, the brothers and sisters, is a hilly area surrounded by rocky mountains, 6,000 feet above the sea level. And Banu Thaqif was the major tribe who used to live there at that time. Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam went to Taif by walking on foot. He didn't take any ride in this journey. And Zayd ibn Haritha radiallahu ta'ala anhu was his company in this journey.